Ever felt like you're standing at a crossroads in the crypto world, two powerful paths diverging before you? You're not alone. For traders of all levels, the choice of exchange can be the bedrock of their entire crypto journey. Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head battle of two titans, Kraken Pro and Binance Advanced. Which one reigns supreme? Which one deserves your hard-earned capital and trust? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's acknowledge why this decision matters so much. Your chosen exchange isn't just a platform for buying and selling digital assets. It's the custodian of your funds, the gateway to market opportunities, and the toolkit you'll rely on to execute your trading strategies. Factors like fees, security, available assets, trading tools, and user experience can significantly impact your profitability and overall trading satisfaction. Both Kraken and Binance have carved out significant niches in the cryptocurrency exchange landscape. Kraken, known for its robust security measures and regulatory compliance, has cultivated a reputation as a reliable and professional platform, particularly favored by more experienced traders and institutions. Binance, on the other hand, has exploded onto the scene with a massive selection of cryptocurrencies, a vibrant ecosystem of related services, and a global presence that's hard to ignore. So, how do you choose between these two giants? Let's break down the key aspects and pit them against each other. First up, fees. This is often a primary concern for any trader, as it directly impacts profitability. Both Kraken Pro and Binance Advanced employ a tiered fee structure based on your 30-day trading volume. Generally, the more you trade, the lower your fees become. Looking at Kraken Pro, their fee structure is competitive, especially for larger volume traders. They typically offer maker/taker fees that decrease as your trading volume increases. For example, at the lowest tier, 0 to 50,000 USD 30-day volume, you might see fees around 0.16% for makers and 0.26% for takers. These percentages steadily decline as you move up the volume tiers. Kraken also offers different fee schedules for stablecoin pairs and futures trading. It's worth noting that Kraken's fee structure is generally transparent and clearly laid out on their website. Binance Advanced also utilizes a tiered maker/taker fee system. At the base level, for spot trading, fees might start around 0.1% for both makers and takers. However, Binance offers various ways to reduce these fees further, such as holding and using their native token, BNB, for fee payment, which can often result in a significant discount. Their VIP program also offers substantial fee reductions for high-volume traders. While their base fees might appear slightly lower at first glance, the potential for reduction through BNB and the VIP program makes their fee structure highly competitive, especially for active traders within the Binance ecosystem. Verdict on fees: it's a close call. For users who actively use BNB, Binance likely offers a more cost-effective solution. However, for those who prefer not to hold a specific exchange token, Kraken Pro's transparent and consistently competitive tiered structure is appealing. Next, let's talk about available cryptocurrencies. This is where Binance often shines. They boast an extensive and ever-growing list of cryptocurrencies, including major coins, smaller altcoins, and even newly listed projects. This vast selection provides traders with a wider range of opportunities and exposure to different market segments. If you're looking for more obscure or emerging cryptocurrencies, Binance is often the first platform to list them. Kraken Pro, while offering a substantial selection of popular and well-established cryptocurrencies, generally has a more curated list compared to Binance. They tend to focus on assets with strong fundamentals and higher liquidity. While you'll find all the major players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, you might find fewer of the very low-cap or highly speculative altcoins that are sometimes listed on Binance. Kraken prioritizes quality and security over sheer quantity. Verdict on available cryptocurrencies: Binance takes the lead here for sheer breadth of selection. If access to a wide array of altcoins is a priority, Binance is likely the better choice. However, if you prefer a more focused selection of established assets on a platform known for its security, Kraken Pro remains a strong contender. Now, let's delve into trading features and tools. Both platforms offer a range of order types, including market orders, limit orders, stop-loss orders, and more advanced options like margin trading and futures, depending on your jurisdiction and account verification level. Kraken Pro's trading interface is often described as more geared towards experienced traders. It provides in-depth charting tools, advanced order book information, and a customizable layout that allows users to tailor the platform to their specific needs. Their margin trading options offer leverage for experienced traders, and their futures platform provides another avenue for sophisticated trading strategies. Kraken also offers staking services for certain cryptocurrencies, allowing users to earn passive income on their holdings. Binance Advanced also offers a comprehensive suite of trading tools and features. Their charting tools are robust and user-friendly, catering to both beginners and experienced traders. They offer a wide range of order types, margin trading, and a highly popular futures platform with a vast selection of perpetual and delivery contracts. Binance also boasts a wide array of other features within its ecosystem, including options trading, leveraged tokens, and various earning products like Binance Earn. Their platform is constantly evolving with new features and functionalities being added regularly. Verdict on trading features and tools: both platforms offer a robust set of tools suitable for active trading. Binance ecosystem is broader, offering a wider range of related financial products. Kraken Pro leans towards a more traditional and professional trading experience with a focus on in-depth analysis tools. The better choice here depends on the specific features and tools you prioritize. Security is paramount when it comes to cryptocurrency exchanges. Both Kraken and Binance have invested heavily in security measures to protect user funds and data. Kraken has a long-standing reputation for its strong security protocols. They employ a multi-layered security approach, including cold storage for the majority of user funds, two-factor authentication, 2FA, advanced encryption, and regular security audits. They have a strong track record and have not experienced any major security breaches. Kraken is also known for its commitment to regulatory compliance in the jurisdictions where it operates. Binance also implements robust security measures, including cold storage, 2FA, and anti-phishing measures. However, Binance has experienced security incidents in the past, although they have handled them effectively and reimbursed affected users. Binance is also navigating a complex regulatory landscape globally, which has led to some restrictions and changes in service offerings in certain regions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.